Hey everybody, Bigfoot here with Bigfoot Videos. So in today's video, we're going to be showing you how to put this deck box together, the 200-gallon big boy. So I hope you enjoyed today's clips. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section, and as soon as the video's over, go check out some of the other content. Hey everybody, that's about going to do it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section. Now go check out some of the other content. Appreciate it, everybody. Bigfoot out. GoPro, stop recording.